Today we're going to be starting a unit on food chains. And in order to understand that, we have to know how all living things get energy. So in order to do that, we're going to create kind of an animal food pyramid. What we're making right now is called a trophic map. Trophic meaning food and nutrients, where they come from. So, very basic fact that we all have to know is that the energy that we get, every single living thing gets it directly or indirectly from the sun. This is the main and only source of energy. So where does it go from there? Let's start at the bottom of our pyramid here with what we call producers, those that take energy right from the sun and turn it into food and nutrients for growth. These kind of things include things such as plants, trees, even grass. Anything that's green, you know it is a producer because it contains chlorophyll. These are also known as autotrophs. Now, moving on up the pyramid, we'll find that the next three sections of our pyramid are all called consumers. So we have producers, and the next three are called consumers. The first of these consumers is called the primary consumers. These are called things that we are more familiar with, known as herbivores. They include things that eat only plants. Plants and only plants is their diet, and nothing else. Again, they're called herbivores. And these herbivores get their energy from those producers, those autotrophs. The next level on our pyramid, remember, these are still consumers, and these are called secondary consumers. These include animals that can eat other animals. So they eat meat, but in addition to that, they eat also plants if they have to or want to. That means that they are called omnivores, meaning they eat meat or plants. These can include animals like turtles that eat plant life as well as fish. They are included in the omnivore family. So they get energy. If we follow our map, they get energy from either autotrophs or plants and herbivores or meats. Now finally, at the top of our pyramid, we have what we know to be called carnivores. This includes things like bears, bald eagles, things that will only eat meat and nothing else. No matter what, that is how they survive, is by eating other consumers. They're getting energy directly from omnivores, herbivores, and nothing else because they don't eat autotrophs. They don't eat the producers. Now that's not all. We have another type of, another way to get energy, and that is called decomposers. These decomposers get energy by living off of the nutrients of things that used to be alive, and that includes all the way up to our carnivores, our omnivores, and our herbivores. Once they are no longer alive, they are decomposed, and these decomposers include things like worms and bacteria, fungus, slugs, snails, and things like that take energy from organisms that were once alive. So that is how all living things get their energy. And they can be categorized into the three different groups: producers, consumers, and decomposers. And just remember that all living things, including us, get their energy that at one point came from the sun. Thanks for watching.